dear viewer. Welcome to the E46. Not too long ago I fixed some problems with this car, and as is the rule of the thumb with the BMWs, it has developed yet another problem. And this time it's the problem with the handbrake. So let me show you. So as you can see, the button of the handbrake is completely going out. It doesn't really work. And the reason for it is, not sure how visible it is, wait a moment. So the problem is this little lever here. This is basically what is actuated by the button here. But unfortunately there is this little metal tab, and as you can see it is only bent into place, and over time it gets bent out, and then this lever gets out and this happens. So let's try and fix it. I have basically two options how to deal with it. The first one is to try and get it back inside, bend the tab back into place and secure it. The second one, much more complex fix, but I would say a lot more long-term one, would be to take apart the center console, take out the whole lever and weld that metal tab into place. I will try the first fix now. If it doesn't work, I can always try to take it out and weld it in place. So yeah, let's get into it. So as you can see now, the lever is working as it's supposed to be if I just hold that black lever in place. So now I just need to bend the tab back into place and secure it. I'm thinking of doing it with like a zip tie and maybe a little bit of epoxy glue. It works. Hell yeah! Alright, so pretty much the final step to ensure my fix holds on is to apply an epoxy glue. So I'm just gonna mix it up and put it on the bent tab. Alright, so the glue is now fully cured and we just do one final test. It works like a charm. Amazing. So now let's just put on the leatherette and cover it all up, and it's done. And just like that, the E46 handbrake is fixed. I hope this one will last at least for a while. If it doesn't and it breaks, then I can always take apart the center console, take out the handbrake lever and weld it. But for now, this one will have to hold. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.